Okay, so I'm unboxing Green Chef. Comes in a cardboard box similar to Hello Chef and HelloFresh and Home Chef. But what I really like about it is they've placed the recipe cards on top, which the other companies do as well. But they have this cardboard barrier here so that the recipe cards are not against any of the food. They're probably very unlikely to get wet. It's also hard for them to slide down on the sides like they do with HelloFresh. So they're in very good condition. They're not ripped, they're not bent, they're not wet. Like I've had a problem with HelloFresh ones. Okay, so underneath this layer of cardboard here, on the top, we have 3 brown bags. Now this is how HelloFresh packages stuff. Home Chef, it came in the plastic bags. Okay, and then I can see like HelloFresh, they've got the ingredients hiding underneath, which are the meat and fish on the bottom. And then they have an ice pack. Okay, so now this one can be emptied into the sink by mixing it with hot water. And then the plastic can be recycled if your recycling company takes, flexible plastic like mine does. So this is a little different for HelloFresh. You empty the contents of the gel pack into the garbage, and then you recycle it. Okay, so that's pretty much it. So it's just cardboard, so I can recycle all of this. Let me open one of the packages so I can see. Okay, here's one we're having tonight, the cheesy ground beef melt. So now it's labeled, so you can tell what it is without opening it. And inside we have a green pepper, which looks like it's in very good condition here. No frosted. I've got bread. And then I've got cheese. More bread. Got some lemon aioli. Potatoes. I'm just looking closely at the potatoes. So the potatoes, they got a little bit of spuds. This happens a lot with potatoes. I'll get them in the mail. Or I have them at home for a bit. This one aside, here's another one that I'm going to have tonight because I don't eat red meat, so the Jamaican fried rice is for me. Alright, so here's a good test. The greens. I've gotten greens before that are slimy. These are collard greens. And they look pretty good. What else we got? We've got, oops, the plastic is opening up a little bit. It's not real tightly fitted for the mint. Okay. It's okay, a little shriveled maybe. Okay, we've got jasmine rice, which is fine. And everything is pre-packaged in the amounts you need it for. So I have 2 servings. Here's the pineapple sunflower seed dressing. Sounds good. We've got our pineapple packaged in the plastic. So all of that stuff is recyclable because it's in the plastic jerk spice blend. And, you know, of course, you can do flexible recycling. Gluten-free tamari sauce. And we've got rainbow carrots. So the nice thing here is that they're already chopped up. A lot of times I get things from HelloFresh, and well, not a lot of times, every time I get the stuff from HelloFresh, I have to chop it up myself, which takes me a lot of time. So I'm liking this because it's going to be a time saver. These are cashews. It's ginger. Oh, look at that. Yellow onions and ginger that is also chopped up already. So we'll see how that fares in the package. And then we've got this dark red kidney green in a recyclable package instead of a can. Okay, and that looks like that's it for that one. I do have one more bag. I can show you that we can check the ingredients just to make sure nothing's gonna go bad. If it looks like something is already kind of going bad, you might make it tonight instead. All right, so now these carrots are not chopped up. But for some reason with the other recipe, it's a quicker recipe that they chopped it up already. This one is not. We've got broccoli. Broccoli looks nice. Okay, they're mangoes. Come in the juice in this plastic bag instead of a plastic cup. This is the lime. That's pretty good. And this is honey citrus glaze. So with HelloFresh, I have to make a lot of the sauces. With this, it looks like they come pre-packaged. It looks like almonds, jerk spice blend. So it still looks like it's going to be faster than when we make things through HelloFresh. So I'll compare tonight and see.